Every morning, our journey begins with a simple sheet of paper. To many, it's just paper. But to us, it's the beginning of a story waiting to be told. Every cut, every fold, every tiny detail is carefully crafted by hand, with patience, precision, and pride. At Kiricard, making pop-up cards is more than a job. It's something we genuinely enjoy. There's a special kind of happiness in watching a flat piece of paper transform into something that can surprise someone, make them smile, or even bring tears to their eyes. That's what inspires us every single day. As we work, we know these cards will travel across the world. Some will celebrate birthdays. Some will congratulate a new beginning. Some will express gratitude, love, or memories that words alone cannot fully describe. Knowing that gives meaning to every moment we spend creating them. Every card passes through many hands. Hands that have spent years mastering this craft. Hands that pay attention to the smallest details, because we believe every fold matters. Every layer of paper deserves care. Every finished card deserves to be perfect. For us, a pop-up card is never just a product. It is a message, a story, a piece of someone's emotion, carefully preserved in paper. And when it finally leaves our workshop, we hope it carries not only beautiful craftsmanship, but also the passion, dedication, and joy of the people who created it. At Kiricard, we don't just make pop-up cards. We craft moments that connect hearts.